Today in this video we are going to learn concatenate formula. Here we have first name and last name in different column. Let me show how we can do it with the help of concatenate formula. So here in the next column we have to type concatenate. And select last name and then first name close bracket and enter. Now this name has combined, so we have to put space in between them. Here we will put space between inverted comma. If you want to put comma between them, so here we type comma and press enter. Now we can drag it and apply this formula for all names. So this is how we can use the concatenate formula. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe my channel.